Hello everyone, good morning from Guwahati. Ratipuai pai room loi studio usore eta room loisu aru aji khub bhal eta din aji karon eta notun experience hobo goi ase mur prothom tu gan hobo juntu sitar bojwam so it was devotional gan prabhur pasote etu next second devotional gan mo korisu shivjir upor so let's see ki hoy. Oh, hello everyone. I am ready for the sitar session today. Aru aji asolte kile iman special feel korisu karon kile azileke mu kunu ganon mo sitar bojua nai aru khub sundor eta gan hobo goi ase aru interestingly Shubhankar dak aji log pam. Shubhankar da homor ejon khubei bhal sitar artist aru I guess bahut kom amar yat sitar bojwa artist ase so I think it will be absolutely amazing to witness him and also very honored to make him a part of the song so bhal lagibo Shubhankarak log pam aru sai thakibo last le.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Buri Gukhani Mondirer pra aji moi live korisu. Moi ahi asu Guwahati ahi asu with my